Basecamp is a one-day scaling up introductory session that we conduct every quarter across major cities in India. The Basecamp session is a great place for founders and their leadership teams to come and understand what scaling up is all about. They can then take an informed decision if the scaling up framework is for their business or not. You will not only learn about the various tools that the framework has to offer, but you will also be able to take some of those back and implement them in your organization to derive benefits.
We had a lot of interactive sessions, very thorough, full use of the day, and I came here with a lot of questions. I'm leaving with a lot of homework. So thank you so much for the team and for everything that you did today.
Anyone who's at that juncture of scaling up should definitely attend this Basecamp.
I think it was quite an eye-opener, very interesting sessions.
I found today's session with Success Alchemists very beneficial because it was a great mix of theoretical and practical skills.
Now, this is what truly distinguishes us. Success Alchemists is today a 20-people organization that is spread across 6 cities in India and Dubai. Our coaches can work with these clients on a more regular basis. And the key strength that we bring to the table is hand-holding the execution framework. Our clients are the ones who refer other clients and prospects. And that is how our journey has kept scaling and multiplying. The second key strength that we bring to the table is our ability to leverage our experience before scaling up certification and during the implementation with so many other companies to ensure that these concepts are customized to a particular client that you're working at that point of time. If you want to experience the power of scaling up, make sure you work with a coaching organization that can support you on implementation and not just tell you the concepts. Because concepts can be learned from the book also, but implementation is an hands-on effort.